And this is the latest version of this puzzle game called Pygame Mania. Pygame Mania, whatever you want.
Okay.
And now you see I got the image, the referring image is smaller, it's half the size. And now you can rotate the image, flip it, more than rotate. So you must be sure that it's in the right position. You get the score here. This is the highest score, and this is the score you are making right now.
Okay. Okay.
You get this feedback, this okay when placing my I reduced the size of the referring image so that you cannot go here and see where it goes just doing things like this. So you are not so sure
Okay.
of where you have to put it, so it's a little bit more difficult, more challenging. So you see when it's right, it won't move. And it's a little brighter, you see here. Also it's brighter here, where the pieces are in the right place. You can bring the pieces back to their place.
Okay.
This should be here. I don't know if there could be still some bugs, I think. Okay.
Okay.
This must be flipped. And let's see something else. This piece here.
Okay.
Okay. And this piece is somewhere.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
There is a little problem here when it goes down here.
Okay.
So it's much more difficult now.
Okay.
I think it's better. I also gained some space here using this image here, and I have also this space for the score and other information I want to
Okay.
put in there.
Okay.
This
Okay.
should go here.
Okay.
This is the hat. You see, sometimes I think there is a bug that makes me make some of this thing disappear. Now, for example, this one should go
Okay.
here.
Okay.
This should go.
Okay. Okay.
It's not easy. You see this here? I can try.
Okay.
Okay, so here I need this space here. This one should go here, maybe. Maybe I flip it. No?
Okay.
Yeah, I have to flip it a lot of time. I want to leave some,
Okay.
take away some of the score. Um, when you rotate too much,
Okay.
so this one should go. Let me fix
Okay.
the head.
Okay.
It's not so easy.
Okay.
Sometimes
Okay.
it's question of okay, these things is quite
Okay.
easy. What is this? This belongs to this thing here. Perhaps this is the right. No. Could be like this. I don't know if the. I don't see all these colors.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. This one. Can see this color.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
How easy to find all this stuff? Because here I could. Okay, now I want to put away some points when I move it, when I flip it many times. Because it means that you are going randomly. And even increasing it when you do it more times with the same one. I should put a counter on this.